Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are going to walk through real Python coding questions that are commonly asked in interviews. But here, the twist, we won't use any inbuilt methods like max, length, set. We will write for every logic step by step. What we just didn't isn't just coding, it's mindset training. Every if, every loop, every return is preparing you to think like a problem solver. So we move for in first sum. This is a famously some for in asking inquiry questions, Fibonacci series. So what is Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series is one number says another number add two number. So I've put on a logic. Um, the logic is 0 space 1 space 1 and 2. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5. It's the logic. This is the Fibonacci series logic. Okay, we will start for encoding. Use define Fibonacci. I put for only Fibo. Okay, that's in our purpose. Fibo, use n as a argument, colon. After that, a equal 0. Number starts in 0. First number of the Fibonacci series is 0. After b equal to 1. Second number is 1. For underscore in range, range is n. The loop runs, repeat the logic in n times. After that, print of a, comma, this is the space. End is space, n, and use them in quotation and space. After that, C equal to A plus B. Calculate the next term by adding current two numbers. Okay, and then A equal to B. After that, B equal to C. A equal to B means move second number to the first variable. On B equal to C means B equal to C. This is the dust and zap two number. Move the newly collected calculated number to the second variable. Okay, and then print for in I will put one call for in Fibonacci series. So print Fibo 5. Okay, uh, though we will start with 0 and 1 like how everyone starts smile, but look at what happens when you keep moving forward. Each number is the sum of the past two, same as life. Learn from your yesterday when you were today. Loop runs n times, so because consistently it's create a magic. So I put in, so yeah, our logic is work perfectly. My quote is don't stop at 0. Don't settle at 1. Keep adding up, keep building. You are the next big thing, bro. So now start on the next sum is a very interesting sum for in factorial. Define factorial problem. Factorial, use an n as an parameter. Result equal to 1. After that, for I in range 1 comma n plus 1, use colon. What okay, colon is okay. After that, result, yeah, then result is multiply equal to I. Okay, wow. So define your function named as an factorial. Start with 1, never use 0 because it will make everything is 0 because I multiplied for those numbers. Okay, loop from 1 to n and inclusive. So for an I in range in 1 comma n plus 1, result into equal to I. Multiply the result with current number. Okay, wow. So and then simply return result. Return result. After that, I call for print factorial and then put for 4. This 4 is in the answer is 24 because 4 becomes 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Yeah. 1 into 2, 2, 2 threes are 6, 6 fours are 24. So our answer is 24. Multiply from 1 to n. Just like stacking your small efforts. Every I makes the result stronger, bro. You are multiplying your growth, one small win plus another, yeah, massive result. So this factorial problem, I worked it perfectly. So my quote is, your 1% effort daily becomes 1,000 times in a small month. Okay, just keeping showing up, the result is win, blow your mind. Okay, finding sum of digits. Yeah, define sum of digits. Okay, wow. Uh, create a function, find sum of digits in a number. So I passing an argument of n, use colon, this part. Okay. Um, create a function is total is 0. While loop, use an while loop, while n greater than 0. Yeah, it's run the loop until the number becomes 0 after the digit equal to n modulus 10. Modulus 10 gets the last digit of the number. Okay, and then total e upon the total plus digit. Add the total digit to the total. That digit to the total. Okay, add the digit. After that, n equal to n. I use mm, floor uh, 10. Remove the last digit using floor division. After that, and use return total. Simply I return total. Total. I call the function print sum of digits 2, 3, 4. This is my number. Break the number piece by piece and the value of each part. That's that life's about. Take your problems one digit at a time, solve it and move on. It's the make and changes on your life. So my quote is, don't fear the old number, son, break it and then handle it and solve it, repeat it, and life it's fun, win it. So it's my code. Okay, wa? And then run the code. Yeah, our answer is 10. So our code works logic perfectly. After that, counting list elements manually, don't use length. It's a very interesting and easy question. List length and put an parameter of num count equal to 0 for the score in num count upon the count of 1 plus 1. After return the count, and simply I call the function list length, and using an list, this is called commonly an array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, and then define a function to count items in the list. Start from 0. After that, loop through each element in the list. Add 1 for each items you see. Return the final count after the loop ends. Okay, va? So and then start from 0 and count each step. No shortcuts and no length. It's a magic. That's a raw effect. And then run the effort. Yeah, our count is 5. It's worked perfectly. My quote is, nobody sees the effort behind each step, but you know it, and that what counts, let them count you out. You keep counting your grind. So hard work is like this loop, bro. Nobody watches, but it builds your future silently. Okay, so we move for in next sum. This is the famous interview questions. Define remove duplicates. Okay, and then I put on save parameter of num unique values, unique equal to an empty array. This is an empty array. For loop for item in num, item in num, if item not in unique values, because loop through each element in the original list, check if the item is not already in the unique list, we will put an append. Okay, unique dot append item, simply unique dot append item. Okay, if it's new, add it to the unique list, return unique. unique. Okay. I call the function print remove duplicate 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 2 comma 4. Okay. Uh, my quote is life is too short for duplicates, bro. Check each item. If it's already there, no, then it's unique. Because, like you, don't copy anyone. Be your own unique code. Okay. Your uniqueness is superpower. Let the world copy paste. You keep building original logic. Let I run this code. Yeah, our logic is work perfectly. And last sum, it's a very, very interesting because it's very easy logic. Even or odd. Even hard problem. Put an argument on n, use for colon. Okay, even or odd in n. If n modulus 2 equal to 0, simply return even. Okay, else return or. Uh, we will call the function even odd. Value is 8 and then 7. Okay. Um, Yeah, our code is define a function to check if the number is even or odd. If remainder is 0 when is divided by 2 even, return even if condition is true, otherwise is an odd number. Okay, then I run this code. Yeah, 8 is even and then 7 is odd. Okay, divide by 2 simple logic is powerful filter. Even or odd doesn't matter. What matters is showing up, learning code, and owning your journey. That's wrap up on part 2 Python coding questions for freshers. We covered Fibonacci, factorial, sum of digit, list of length, and remove duplicates, even or odd. These are not just for interviews, they build your core Python thinking. Comment if you want part 3 with the answer number and lot of problems. If you want to the part 3, like and comment. Keep moving forward and no surrender. Thank you.